In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can make money online with JVZoo using affiliate marketing. So I will explain to you what is JVZoo, how it works, and how you can make money online with it. Now the best part about this method is that you don't need an email marketing list, you don't need to set up your own funnels, you don't need a big social media following as well, and also you don't need no money to get started with this method online. Now, if you keep watching this video to the very end, I'm going to give you a very special bonus free gift that's going to help you on your affiliate market journey at the end of this video. So make sure to keep watching and let's get started in this video right now. So you might be asking, what is JVZoo and how it works? So in essence, what is JVZoo is a basic affiliate marketing network or affiliate marketing program where you have hundreds of different products online where you can basically promote as affiliate to be able to make money. So in essence, what this means is you can pick for any product you want in different niches such as like health, relationship, or any type of categories you could think of. You basically promote products online to be able to make money. This is how affiliate marketing works in general with ClickBank or JVZoo or any other affiliate program or network you can think of. So you're gonna have the customer on one end, and then the middle, this is you, the affiliate, and then the other end, you're gonna have the affiliate program or network you're gonna get from JVZoo to basically promote to customers online that are already looking for products that they're looking for to solve their pain points. So in essence, what this means is that you're gonna basically become the middleman or the connector and connect the product to the customer and to be able to make a commission online to be able to do this. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money with JVZoo. So there's 4 steps I want to show you. So step number 1 is what we want to do is we're going to sign up and create an account. Now to do this, what you do is type in Google jvzoo.com. It'll take you to this page right here where you can create your account. And to do this, what you can do is go right here to start for free. And then from here, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna register for your free account, enter your basic information about yourself, and enter what country, and agree to terms, and click right here, register for your free account online. And then from here, what you're gonna do is gonna take you to a page where you said thank you for register, and then you're gonna have to verify your account through your email. And then from here, they're gonna select the payment you would like to get paid, either through PayPal, either other payments you can think of like Stripe. Then you can cash out your earnings through there, and then they're also gonna recommend some tools for you to use. Now after you have done step number 1, what you're gonna do now is that you want to find a product to promote on JVZoo. Now in order to find a product on JVZoo, once you have created an account, you want to go to your back office. It should look something like this, and then from here, what you want to do is you want to go right here to affiliates, and then you want to go right here to it says find product. And then from here, you're gonna have hundreds and hundreds of different products you can basically promote on JVZoo. As you can see, you have maybe like it's product right here, Easy Stretch Pro Business. Then you got keyword starter, or maybe like backlinks indexer. So as you see right here, they're gonna tell you like the availability of the product. So you see right here, it might have like request or approve, or it might say simply just get linked. And they'll tell you the launch date, the sold date, conversion time is getting, and the average sale you're gonna get from each product you promote to be able to make money. Now let's say, for example, you want to get started and you want to make some money. What you would do is simply you want to go right here to categories, and you'll select the category you're gonna select from. Now this is very important, you need to keep in mind, so make sure you keep watching. So what you want to do from here is that you want to choose a subcategory to be able to make money. Simply you just choose one niche, such as like health or relationship or health. You're simply going to be a broad audience for your product. You want to choose a subcategory for your product so you have a blue ocean to basically promote your product and be more profitable in your niche to be able to make money. So as you can see, once you choose your first category, you're going to have subcategories to choose from. This is the crucial part I was talking about. So you see right here, you got like careers, debt, entrepreneurship, general management, outsourcing, and personal finance. And then you can choose any subcategory in that category to find a product to basically promote as an affiliate. Then let's say, for example, we choose entrepreneurship and we select search. And then from here, they're gonna have hundreds of different products again, basically for us to promote. Let's say, for example, you want to choose this first one right here, and you want to click right here, request approve. And then from here, they're gonna tell you all the information about the product you basically promote. So this product is called FB, a cash method. So this the price point you're gonna basically make money from. So you're gonna make $27 per sale, and you're gonna earn a 50% commission. And the vendor is Andrew Murray. So as you see right here, all you gotta do is that you're gonna submit your approval, and then from here you're gonna get your affiliate link to basically promote this product online. Now I want to show you a second way how you can find the best product to promote right now that's currently getting a lot of sales, so you can make the most amount of money on JVZoo. So what you will do from here is you will go right here to products, and then you go right here to top sellers. Now from top sellers, you're gonna have lists of products that's currently trending right now, yesterday, or maybe 30 days ago, or even maybe like last year. So this is why this is very important, because you can capture on the products that's selling right now, that's the hottest trending products, to make the most amount of money on JVZoo. So from here, what you would do is go to the category maybe like top sellers today, and choose a product that's ranking from number 1 to all the way number 10. And this is a bonus tip I want to give you. If you see a product that's ranking every single time top 10, maybe today, maybe last week, or even 30 days, maybe that's a product you basically want to promote, because if you get that product, you can make a lot of money each and every single time on a daily basis. For example, a product I want to talk about for that method is that, for example, Funnel Platinum, you see right here, is ranking number 2 for today, and then top seller for yesterday is ranking number 2 again, and then top seller for number 7 is ranking number 3, and in the past 30 days is ranking, so it's not ranking for the last 30 days, but you see right here, this is a trending product that's ranking for the past 7 days. So this is a product you want to basically capture on right now, because it is the latest and is converting very well in the past 7 days, and it might continue on later months to years to come by. So this is why I'm giving you this tip you can take in mind to make the most amount of money on JVZoo. So now that you found the product to promote, this is step number 3, what you would do. Now, what you want to do now is that you want to get to know your product as affiliate that you're about to promote. Now, let's say, for example, you have picked the product, maybe this product right here is Funnel Z Platinum. And what you would do is that you will click the product right here, and it's going to take you to the sales page of basically the product you basically promote. So this product right here is telling you in all-in-one funnel software to build and simulate high converting profitable funnels automatically for any niche within minutes. So basically this product is trying to help people that's new marketers online and save money for funnel building. So for example, you already know this funnel builds, maybe like Click Funnels or maybe like Builder. So some of those platforms that you probably know, they're probably like high price. So this product is trying to save money for people that has no tech skills or any skills learning how to build a funnel, and they're trying to save money on them so they won't have heavy recurring fees, as you can see right here. So this is why they're trying to market this product right here to make money. So this is why you need to know what product you basically promote. So as you here's all the details that you basically get for this product: like high converted funnels, APM technology, done for you templates, and you see right here there's no technology skills. So this is very important because a lot of people don't have the technology skills to require to build a funnel of their own, and they're going to give you all the funnels for that product right here. And they're also going to give you e-commerce ability, and then also mingling and multi-currency and so on and so forth. And they're going to give you a quick glimpse of what the funnels they're going to give you, and the templates and the websites in the back office. And here's a pre-example of that. And if we scroll down some more, they're going to give you more benefits and feature of the product. And then if we scroll down some more, they tell you 6 major challenges of the people that want to build their own funnel. So this is major because you want to keep in mind, because a lot of people that come online as a new beginner trying to make their own funnel, they don't have these things in mind come in place when they have make their own funnel, such as like they don't know how to create high converted funnels, or building funnels from scratch is maybe a real pain in the butt, or like they don't know how to create like simple converted funnels that's going to convert very high for them so they can make money, or they don't even know what's converting or what's converting or what's not converting in their funnel as well. So they're going to teach them and help them do all of that with this product right here. So this is why you want to take in mind how to get to know your this is why you want to get to know your product very, very well as a customer, as an affiliate, so you can teach people how this product will help them benefit their pain points. And once you solve the pain points with maybe your video or emails or whatever stuff like that, how you're going to basically promote the product, then you're going to basically be able to make money online as a new affiliate. Now the same thing with this product right here, maybe you want chosen maybe a keyword search tool. Then now this is an important tool as well, because a lot of people don't know a lot of keyword tools or don't know how to use it and so on and so forth, or maybe it's like very high in price and they maybe can't afford it for their business. So this is why they're giving this tool right here, maybe a cheap price, to learn how to find low competition keywords in any niche they're trying to find, such as like web-based keyword difficult checker or keyword suggestion, and they get all these SEO tools that they can use. So this is another example I want to give you that you can basically take in mind as well. You want to go down all through the website and get all the details. So once you do like maybe a view or maybe promote this product and tell people what this product is all about, you want to see what is working on that website so you can use that the benefits, maybe the feature page, or maybe testimonials, and give that in your review, or maybe however you want to promote it. So the last step you will do in the step-by-step guide to be able to make money with JVZoo is that you want to get traffic so you can make money. So there are 2 different ways I want to show you how you can get traffic to your offer so you can be able to make money. So the first one I'll show you is do YouTube reviews. So to do this, what you want to do is type in the search bar right here of your product name. So the product name we're going to do is the Funnel Z review. And as you see here, here's a lot of people are doing this method. So you see right here, this person is talking about funnel review, and they're giving exclusive bonuses. he's just simply getting a simple view about it and maybe not including bonuses. I don't know if he has bonuses in his description, but I will show you that later on this video. So from here, what you would do is that you would simply create a view video about it. And to do that, what you would do is you want to use a free software, maybe like DaVinci Resolve 17, and you can create a video, and you don't even have to show your face at all. You can simply download for free and click this button right here, download now, and download the software. And then if you don't want to show your face, what you can do is use a platform called pixels.com. It's a royal-free image and video place platform where you can simply download videos and maybe have some text in there form, or maybe set some call to action form in your video. And also another tool you can create your video, to create your review video, is that you can go to another tool called OBS. This is where you can record your video and you don't even have to show your face at all. So you can download this on the Windows, Mac, Linux, and it's a free software tool that you can video record or live stream on. And you can use all these 3 tools that I showed you in this video to start making money. So here's a little example of basically what I'm talking about in a YouTube review video. So what you can do is, see right here, you have funnels review plus bonuses here. You have a call to action to your funnels link so they can purchase from you. And see right here, they're talking about what is it all about in the description. And you can have a description just like this, talk about the done for you templates, the multilingual and multi-currency. And then you also got e-commerce, and they got no tech skills required. So they basically talking about on the sales page and rewriting on the description. And you see right here, they're going to add the bonuses of what he's providing: the funnels no list secret, funnels free Nova Pro account, funnels access to my best converting emails, and the funnels tweaks every upgrade. So he's providing 4 bonuses, and this is something maybe you can do as well. So the second way I want to show you how you can make money by promoting your product is basically you can have your own website. And no, you don't need to pay for this to have your own website, because it's a free platform. I want to show you can do it on. What you can do is go to a website called googlesites.com. Now on this platform, where you can create your website for free without any tech skills or any of that headaches and stuff. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to go go to projects or portfolio or events or help center, or you can go right here to blank to create your own template. And then from here, what we can do is simply type in like funnel review, and then maybe we can mess around with the text box, images, embedded in Drive and stuff like that, and we can see what you want on your website. And then from here, you can mess around with like the description of it, and then this is where you can maybe add like feature benefits, benefit 1, benefit 2, 3, and 4, call to action. Say, hey, if you're interested in more buying this product, you can click here to buy more, and you can mess around and add some more text and stuff. And then once you're simply done with this whole website of yours, what you can do is go right here to publish and publish it. And then from there, it's going to go to Google, and then from Google, it's going to rank on the first page, second page, or third page. Just depends on how good your SEO is with this website. And then once you do that, you're gonna be able to rank, and it's gonna rank over time. And now you're gonna be able to make money. In this video, I want to give you my free gift that I want to give you for you to help you make money online. So the free gift I want to give you is my personal free ebook that's gonna help you make money online, particularly with affiliate marketing on your online journey, because I know how it is as a new affiliate online to struggle and don't know where to go. So this is where I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about affiliate marketing from step by step, from A to Z, to teach you about affiliate marketing as a beginner. So all you gotta do is click the second link in my description, and I will give you all the details in the free ebook to learn about affiliate marketing in that ebook. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.